Okay, so here we go. This is how to get the Virtual Families 3 modded version with unlimited money. What's it called? The bank. So yeah, here you go. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So this is a easy process, but you probably do not know about the website. So the website where you can download this is called hexmods.com. It's a super secret website. So once you're on it, just go to the search bar and type in Virtual Families 3. So right now I'm just waiting on the website to load, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's a super cool site. They get lots of weird and wacky mods for apps and games. I don't know why it broke, but it's not working. But anyway guys, once you're on the site, you just gotta go to the search bar and type in virtual, let's do it right here. There it is. So anyway, press on it and then press download. With downloads, guys, you're gonna have to do a verification, which is a one-time process. Basically you gotta download some apps and like complete the instructions. They're 100% for free. They're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so here it is, and you can see it says please install some apps. Once this page loads, I already know what it looks like. So yeah, it's really shitty connection today, but as you can see, complete 2 free app surveys. So it'll be like 4 of them, so you just download it. But guys, before you download the app, make sure you read the instructions. You can see download and run for 30 seconds, install and reach level 10. You can't avoid these instructions. If you do, it won't work. So you finally decide on which app you want to do. Press tab to install. It'll bring you to the app store. You download it, you're done. So I'll see you later, but be sure to subscribe. Be sure to do the verification correctly, and it's really not anything else to explain. I mean, if you can't handle this, then it's very easy.